Hey guys, and welcome back for another video. Today I want to do a little introduction to possibly a series of videos. I'm not exactly sure. It might just be one large video, but I wanted to talk to you guys about this project that I decided that I'm going to try to tackle, which this is my first time doing this. I mean, I've done simple projects, but this might be beyond my scope of practice. But you guys are going to follow along in this little journey with me, and maybe I will give you the confidence to tackle some of the furniture around your house. So I'm going to cut away so you guys can see exactly what this piece of furniture is, and then I'll show you guys the fabric choice. I went over to Fabricland and picked out some fabric. So let's check it out. Okay, so if you're not already following me on Instagram, then you probably don't know. I got this piece of furniture for $14.99 over at Value Village. So it's really, really good quality. It's got some really good bones. The legs are in perfect condition. There's no scratches on them, which is great. So I don't have to refinish the legs at all. But just the fabric it's just seen better days. There's some staining on it. Not sure if you can see that, some staining. And then it was definitely loved by a cat of some sort. But I think that I'll be able to do this project. This isn't really something that has to be custom made. As you can see here, this is a rolled arm. So I think that because of that, it's just gathering the fabric here. I've seen some rolled arms that they've actually sewn this piece and then they will slip it on. So I don't think I would be able to do that, but I think that if I just take all of this off very carefully, I could replicate the pattern of it with my new fabric and then just, put it back on and then possibly redo the padding on the main seat because it's kind of bulging out from being flattened over time. So I might need to add a piece there. But yeah, so this is the project that I will be working on, and I would love it if you came along. And of course, I'm not an expert, but I'm going to pretend that I am. I'm going to show you guys the fabric that I chose. So I am going with, the same neutral look, but I really like this one. It's got like sort of a diamond pattern, as you can see, but it's really, good, heavy quality, nice, sturdy fabric, and I think it will look really nice. So I just laid that on top, and as you can see, the pattern isn't too big, that it still fits nicely. So you get a whole diamond pattern on the seat, which is great because that's what they mentioned to me in the store was if you're going to get a big print like this, you want to make sure that you'll be able to appreciate the design of it when it's on the furniture. So if you get a big print and then a little piece of furniture, you won't be able to see, the design of it. So I think that worked out pretty good. It's almost like the same size of the seat. And of course, the kitty loves this thing, which is a problem because she'll probably want to do what the last kitty did. But yeah. So that's going to be pretty much it for this video. So the next video will be of me deconstructing this beautiful bench. So if you want to follow along and you're not already, I hope you subscribe. And of course, don't forget to hit the like button if you would like to see more videos like this, which this is the first one. So if you enjoy videos like this, then definitely leave a like down below. And if you don't enjoy videos like this, I would still appreciate it if you like this video also. All right, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.